I'm going to pick Irish at GCSE. I want to do it more than the other subjects. They're all important, but Irish feels important. I feel part of something when I speak it. I remember hearing one of the big kids coming into our class, just speaking away to the teacher in Irish. I couldn't believe it. It was special. They did really well at school. It made me want to do it too. There is a big world of Irish out there, and I'm going to be part of it.
Domhan Mór na Gaeilge, the big world of Irish. Talk to your child's teachers about doing Irish for GCSE or even attending a course in the Gaeltacht during the summer. You just never know how great that Domhan Mór na Gaeilge, the big world of Irish, could be for your child.